what a go on, rude boys. No, I can't start that. Yeah, I can. Anyway. So next time, we're gonna call it a day after we sort this out. We've got a new replacement latch for it. Obviously, just need the mechanism out of it because obviously this key's for the card. This is off the donor, but we don't know how to open it yet. So we're about to do YouTube mechanics and see how we do it. Half the service is done. We've still got to wait for the parts for Tuesday to collect it and the lower arms. And then once that's done, we've sorted out one of the wiper blades. Another one needs to try and sort that out as well. Other than that, we've got the 2 new wings, but I might get someone to look at it to potentially sand out because there's rust on the inside, and I'd rather just like future-proof it in that sense. You probably agree on it. It's like, you know, if we're gonna wrap it, I want to like make sure it's as good as possible. Haven't decided on a wrap colour yet, but yeah, we'll see. Maybe put on coilies because the suspension's a little bit corroded, and if I'm gonna change it, might as well go coilies and that. And he's trying to convince me to get some bad boy alloys, but in all honesty, I can't really see too well, but don't mind the wheels on it already. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Right, so after some research, we're supposed to cut a V shape somewhere like here, drill a hole, poke through a screwdriver. I ain't trying to do all that, but we've still got a little bit of play here. I'm saying get pliers.
You can give it a go.
I just snapped it. Gonna have to get the drill out. We're gonna have to brainstorm. Stand by.
What we could do is just rip it out.
No.
Just get a new glove box.
What with the same material? Colour?
Can do. Let's probably show you guys what to see if there is any. If there is any, I'm ripping it out.
We'll see. We shall see. Alright, so it turns out it's flappy anyway. So I'm thinking, I'm gonna get my fingers in there. If I can get the latch, we should be able to just pop it. Just for reference. Oh, so there's a little, I might need a flathead to poke that up, down. So I feel like a barrel on a spring. I feel like half this glove box is missing. It feels like it's like snapped down the middle.
I say just rip the cover off.
So I can definitely feel some sort of latch, right? There has to be some sort of release in there. No. Let's go down. No,
I'm telling you, it's the only way.
No, there's always a way.
The only way is to rip that off and spend £40 on a new one.
Nah. Well, we need to get a new one anyway, but I don't want to f the latches up even more.
Here's the thing. Where did we get that one from? Always go get the actual.
Max would that.
No, you didn't. We left it in great condition. What are you talking about? Pull it. Do what needs to be done.
No, I can't, mate. I can't.
Do you want me to do it for you?
No. Now is not the time for eating cookies. Can I have a flathead, please?
Look at it, it's begging to be torn off.
Mate, so all these criminals in the 1990s that was able to jimmy these, fair play, yeah, 'cause this is f***ing stressing me out. Built different. Got your blower on you? Yeah, and broad torch quick. It's safe. You win.
Yay! No.
The whole Glovebox come out.
You gotta commit now, innit? Break off the thing. Oh!
Yeah, you got what you wanted, didn't it?
See? There you go.
Is he this he's glued it shut. He's glued it shut. Oh my god, that is it, isn't it? That's why I can't open it. It's already unlocked. Look, it's taped.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't catch that.
Shut up.
Could you try again?
What? Seriously, why would you glue the box shut? Okay, leave the face off. And
I
then
know. It might have been a case of, because the lever was broken, it might have just always kept like falling down.
So sealed it shut.
Sealed it shut.
And ripped that to get the last shit out of it.
Yeah.
Useless.
But, you know, they could have spent 40 quid and just got a new glove box.
That's really pissed me off. Furious.
So angry.
Hold that thought. Idea. Alright, trusty paperwork. Phone's on a 1E. Right. Hang on, just out of curiosity, I need to see this fucking latch for this boot shit, because that ain't sexy. Yeah. There's no way. That has to have latches. What does it say? Use broomstick to hold open. Have me on. Well. Oh, it's supposed to be retractable as well, the parcel shelf. Alright, anyway, enough of that. Right. Stereo, turbo, stereo.
Oh, off.
You if an incorrect code has been entered, error is displayed, enter the correct code. After 3 unsuccessful code attempts are set to lock and remain locked for 2 hours. During this wait period, the battery must be connected. The ignition key must be turned to position 1. The unit must be turned on. Make sure the headlights are turned off to help prevent it. Enter the code again once time has elapsed.
Don't know about you, mate. I want to go home. I'm hungry.
I can't believe you've done this. So tomorrow we got to leave it. Alright, tomorrow's job, yeah? Get here and leave the ignition on for 2 hours. And then get the code. Which we don't have. Because the Glovebox ain't got the f***ing card. The documents don't have the card. We don't have the card. And I'm not waiting 2 hours after 3 guesses, mate. Bollocks. If only we had the sound system code. We can't even listen to BBC Classical on the way home. Oil low. Oh no, 10W30, 10W40. Ah, good choice.
Yeah, there.
Alright. Tell you what I'm gonna do. Where is it? This. Whenever we go and do cool shit, or if we ever meet any cool car people, i.e. Matt Armstrong, sign that shit. Alex Waters, sign that shit. Mr. Clarkson, sign that shit, yeah. Fucking of love. Of love. Alright. Done for the day, people. Peace and love. We'll be back, depending on how I cut this video and shit. You might see us right away. Right, what's good, people? We're back, another day in the workshop. Yeah, where we left it last night, it was basically we ripped the glove box off and we couldn't get on the radio because we locked it out. I'm gonna try the code that's on the top sticker, but I'm not sure if it'll be the right one. If not, I'm gonna have to like try and look online at getting the serial numbers and shit. So I'll keep you lot posted. But when we checked it last night, it was trying to tell us to keep it on standby for like, I think 2 hours with the ignition on, but it's reset now. So obviously we left it overnight. Should be calm. We're gonna check it and go from there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Got a new toy. We got an iDroid Beach Bomb.
Try and get it out.
It's all right, mate. You bought a dud.
Beach bomb.
Car. The suspense killing me.
Now it's so
Bitch, I'm in the field, nigga, call me Indiana Jones. Feel like Soldier Boy.
Oh, what a go rude boys. No, I can't start that. Yeah, I can. Anyway, back in the unit, day 2. Played around with the radio code. Still need to get the code sorted because it wasn't on the labels I thought. We're going to sort the wiper blade out soon with some glue, as you can see. The Ardenio is doing right now. But yeah, let me show you real quick. We got some primer, some super glue, some sandpaper. We're going to try to sort these wings out, and we're going to try and save them before they get too far gone, because as it stands, alright, just for reference, this side's not even peeled back. Look, that side's probably bad as well, but just to give you guys a reference of how bad these wings actually were, like, they're beyond saving, in my opinion. It's just not even worth it. So we've had to pick the new ones up, that's fine. Obviously they're mismatched colour, but it's not a problem right now. But as you can see, it's quite bad rust on them. So, not as bad as the other ones though, so it's a step in the right direction. Yeah, we've got the Yoo-Hoo Glue King working his magic right now. Just don't get your fingers stuck to it. So we did actually put new wipers on it. However, these are weird Volvo ones. So they're old school. That, like with the new wipers, there would essentially be like somewhat of a gap. Okay, so yeah, this is the OG one. Yeah, it's got obviously these extra arms here, and these new ones obviously have a different curvature for newer windscreens. So this will not clear properly because when it goes up to a certain degree, as you can see, like it leaves a gap. See whether like there's like smears either side. There's just a gap where it doesn't clear, and it's basically like as it'll go up the windscreen, it'll go like that. So we're trying to retrofit the old one with the flappy fin. So little super glue jobby should work fine.
Should hold it for now. Just gotta let that down, eh?
This is purely just for the MOT pass. Realistically, I will get some new ones. Also, something we're gonna do when we're sanding things down. I could have probably, stupidly, we should have got the rear wiper off the one yesterday, but because we didn't, we're obviously scrapyard's not open today or tomorrow either. I'm probably just going to have to sand this down and spray it black. But that's not actually a massive issue. we do need to try and glue this trim up somehow as well. So yeah, and obviously there's like a lot of lacquer on the back which needs to be sanded down, ready to go. But it's cool. So we're gonna wait for that to dry and hope that it doesn't glue to my roof. But it'll be fine. And I'm gonna try and get this radio code sorted in a minute. And we've also got the TT up today as well. Check that out on Yardanio's channel. Because we'll be breaking down what we've been doing on this today. But yeah, we're gonna get back to this very shortly. It's just been a car-fueled weekend, so yeah, in a bit. All right, we've given it, what, 40 minutes for the super glue to dry, which is like far too long. I'm gonna bang this back on, see what happens. Should be all right. Guess we'll find out.
Give her a whiz.
Not bad.
It's good enough.
Yeah. Smells funky. Yeah, it's not bad. What's your gut saying, mate?
Sensor.
Ah,
I reckon sensor.
can I say, mate?
Make more sense.
Oh, like it, like
Yeah,
style.
makes more sense.
Oh, I like style with your little crusty gel in your hair. God, hell. Prang.
There you go.
Oh.
Sensor.
Is
Just the rear right.
Is that like one sensor that's all connected to all three though? Or is it 3 separate sensors?
No, it's one sensor, just 3 different fault codes for it.
Because of that sensor, yeah. Shit. Alright, best case scenario then. Yeah.
Memory system cleared.
Nice.
No more errors. No minus flashing.
Oh no.
Yeah, it says. Oh, what's going on?
You can see it flashing on the dash right there.
Right there.
We've just pulled down the trim in the boot to find out about these struts. Got the part numbers, so gonna be replacing these as well. We just need to get the part number for the sensor. But yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing today, is just getting the part numbers, getting that all ordered. Picking up lower arms tomorrow, so we'll be back for that. And then just a little final touch-ups, and then hopefully we'll be MOT'd by the end of the week. So fingers crossed. We're also working a little bit on this, because just making some rattling noises. And all right, Yardanio. Yeah. But it's cool. We'll keep you boys posted. Yeah, stay tuned. Back in the scrapyard again. Second time. Need Glovebox.
Here we are again.
Midweek gym session, you know what I'm saying?